With WorkingPoint, it's easy to create a bill no matter where you are in the application, from a vendor contact record, from the bills list, or from the homepage Add panel. Click the New Bill button and record your bill. In the vendor field, start typing the vendor's name. WorkingPoint will compare what you type in with your contacts list and suggest a match. As soon as you see the vendor name in the menu, click it. Or, click the New Vendor button to add a vendor on the fly. In the Bill Date field, select the date of the bill. This date is required. You can sort the bills list by the state to see which bills are the oldest. In the Due Date field, select the date the bill is due. This field is also required, since it's important in tracking the aging of your bills, when they are due, and how much they are overdue by. You can sort the bills list by the due date so you can see when a bill needs to be paid and you can plan ahead. In the Reference Number field, enter the number of the vendor's bill. Reference numbers can help you distinguish this bill from another bill you received from this vendor. Entering information in this field is optional. In the Memo field, type any notes you want to keep with this bill. This field is also optional. If you've purchased items you track inventory for, click the This Bill Contains Items to Add to Inventory checkbox. This way, you'll be able to choose which items you're adding inventory to. If the item is new, click here to add a new item on the fly. Then enter the quantity of the item that you're purchasing and the cost per unit. This is the amount it costs you to purchase 1 unit of the item. Simply press Tab, and WorkingPoint calculates the total amount for the item. If you need additional lines to add inventory purchased, click Add Line. If you're purchasing services or other expenses that you don't inventory, like shipping, use the Bookkeeping Account field to choose the account to assign to the expenses you purchased. Enter a description of the items you purchased. This is optional, but might be helpful to remind you of what you spent your money on. And enter the amount that you spent. If you need more lines for the bookkeeping accounts, click Add Line. When you've accounted for everything you purchased and your bill form equals your actual bill, click Save. The total of the transaction will be added to your accounts payable account. Any inventory added to the available quantity for the items you selected, and your bookkeeping account values increased. Once the bill is saved, you will see the saved view of the bill. Here, you can view the details of the bill you just entered and much more, including a quick link to the vendor contact record and the status of the bill. You can also edit the bill, record a payment on the bill, copy it, or delete it. For more information on managing your bills in WorkingPoint, click the Help link in the upper right-hand corner of your account.